Hey, it's Rob from the Door Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace your drawer fronts. First thing you want to do is remove the entire drawer. Next thing you want to do is remove our handle. Then we can go ahead and flip the drawer onto its face. Now I'm going to go ahead and trace the location of our drawer box onto our old drawer front. This way here I can transfer the numbers onto the new drawer front. So now we can go ahead and remove the screws. And take our drawer box off. So now we can go ahead and transfer our measurements from our old drawer front to our new drawer front. So for here we have 3/4 and 15 1/8. So 3/4 and 15 1/8. And up from the bottom we have 1 inch and 1/16. Okay, now we're ready to attach the drawer box to the new drawer front. So we'll line it up with our marks. We'll screw it in. Now we're ready to install it. And that's how you install your new drawer front.